Kali Linux, the ultimate toolkit for cybersecurity professionals. Kali Linux is a powerful, open-source operating system specifically designed for penetration testing, ethical hacking, and cybersecurity research. Developed by Offensive Security, Kali Linux is recognized as the go-to platform for both cybersecurity professionals and enthusiasts alike. With over 600 pre-installed tools, including network analyzers, vulnerability scanners, and password cracking utilities, Kali Linux provides a comprehensive suite for discovering and addressing security vulnerabilities. Built on the Debian Linux distribution, it's stable, versatile, and customizable to meet the needs of users at all experience levels. Kali Linux also features a strong community that contributes to its continuous development, offering support, tutorials, and updates, ensuring users have access to the latest advancements in cybersecurity. Whether you're an experienced professional or just starting in the field, Kali Linux offers an ideal environment to hone your skills, conduct ethical hacking activities, and protect systems against threats.